In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw arrow in AutoCAD. We'll keep it simple and precise so you can add a clean, professional arrow to any drawing without fuss. The only thing you need to do is use the leader command, place the arrow, and you're done. Start by activating the command. Click in the command line, type the word leader, and press enter. That's it. No menus, no hunting around. Typing. Leader tells AutoCAD you want to create a leader line with an arrowhead at the start. Depending on your version, this may behave like the classic leader or the quick leader, but the idea is the same. You're about to pick where the arrowhead lands and how the line extends from it. With the command active, move your cursor to the point you want the arrowhead to touch. This is usually the exact spot you're calling out, like a corner, center, or feature on your geometry. Click once to place the arrowhead. Now, drag your cursor away to sketch the leader line. You can add one or more segments by clicking to place bend points, or keep it straight and simple. If you prefer perfectly horizontal or vertical leaders, toggle ortho mode with F8 so the line locks to clean angles. If you want the arrow to snap to an exact point, like a midpoint or endpoint, turn on Object Snap with F3 so the leader lands precisely where you intend. As you drag, you'll see the leader preview updating in real time. When it looks right, confirm the final point with a click. If your version prompts for annotation, you can press Enter to accept the default flow, or simply finish the command if you're only placing the arrow and line. Either way, you've just drawn your arrow. A few quick tips to make it look the way you want. The arrowhead style and size come from your dimension and leader settings. So if the arrow appears too large or too small, adjust those settings later to match your drawing scale. If you placed a bend you don't want, press undo once and pick a cleaner path. And if you want the arrow on a particular layer or color, set that before starting the command, so everything lands with the right properties automatically. That's all there is to it. Type leader, press enter, draw your arrow, and you're good to go. Clean, quick, and professional every time.